This course helps conceptualize electric vehicles around various real-world scenarios and guides on how to select technology and size various EV subsystems.
This course has benefited OEMs to improve EV products and their performance. It has helped fleet operators to select right EVs for their fleet specific to their applications and improve the performance. It has helped investors, incubators, donor agencies to do a right appraisal of EV projects. It has helped technicians, consultants to deepen their technical knowledge, and faculties, students to go deep into the EV systems engineering really by hands-on modeling and simulations.
After this training, now I am planning to join electric vehicle industry and this training helped me to gain a lot of confidence in my applications. So thank you for that.
Course detailed each subsystem of an electric vehicle, which was important to know how to model it and validate the model against real data. This knowledge makes part of the basis to start in the development of such vehicles, but not only develop a vehicle that works, but the course also helps understanding what are the main market and operational requirements to develop a successful product for the EV market.